So yesterday we were doing what do you call classified ads. Yes. So let me share a visual with you, and let's have another look at another classified ad. This I got from a foreign paper, so nothing much. That was Times of India. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to all of you? Tanya, Parinita?
Yes, sir.
Ah, cool. Kainat, welcome today, beta. Can you hear me? Now, if you
Yes,
look at
sir.
this, thank you so much, beta. See, if you look at this, these various headlines, uh, 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 what do you see here? See, here you have automobiles. Okay? Yes, I think this is okay. So here you have automobiles. Just check. Look at this, automobiles. See, automobiles. Then you have, this is notice, a very typical thing. See, you have motorcycles here. So these are called columns. What are these called? Columns. And this is your title. That is, we have classified. Remember, there's so many advertisements belonging to one column. So if you look at this, I'll just enlarge this. Under automobiles, you'll see all the advertisements for automobiles. Am I clear? Yes, Vidhi, I will upload it today, but yes. Oh, who's that? Sorry. Give me a second, please. Yes. Yes, Vidhi. Sorry, I will upload it. Okay, so Vidhi just messaged me. She'll not be able to attend the class. Okay. So look at this. And look at this. Automobiles wanted. This was automobiles for sale. He's not written here sale, but very Americanized. So he should have written here available, or for sale. That should have been written here. Anyway, and let's look at this. Okay, look at this heading. Oops. Look at this heading. Wanted to buy. See, trucks and trailers. See the various headings that you have here. You know, trucks and trailers, etc., etc. Look at this. Sport facilities. Look at this. Here you have sports facilities. Then you have trucks and trailers. Oh, you even have here boats. So if you look at these ads, they're very self-explanatory. Okay, wanted to buy, etc., etc. Do you get the idea now? Hello? I'll show you another visual which I picked up from Times of India. And yes, look at this. See, required, wanted, required, sales consultant here, available, fashion stylist, jewelry designer, sales consultant. So you have so many ads, they all under specific columns. All the ads related to wanted is here. This is for private hospitals. This is taken from Times Ascent. So this is the type of ad that we are talking about. Okay. Then we have another one. I may have shown this yesterday. Yes, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the different headings. If you look at the headings, see you have automotive, that is related to automobiles, of course slightly different. Books and information, business opportunities. Look at this, education. This is about education. This is about career mart, business service, home improvement. See, and here we have look at this, internet and e-commerce, franchisees. So you have all these different ads. These are and a lot. See, you have two ads under this, and you have a couple of ads under income groups. It's very little here, but even then. So this is what is called. This is called the title bar, and below that you have these simple ads. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Good. Cool.